Hi everyone, here you see on the bed it's that piece of log is 10 feet long. I did remove some some slab on it. This wood is not good for structural application and not even for planks because the tree have fell about 5-6 years ago, and it's not, you can see some part there have already started to rot. So what I'm going to do with this piece here, it's about 10 inch, it's 10 inch by 11 inch and a half. I will remove 1.5 inches, and then I will remove 4 pieces of 5-inch beam, and let's start with that. As you saw me, I broke 1.5 inches a plank here, 10 inch wide. So this is why I'm telling you it's not good for structural application. But I will remove 4 pieces of 5-inch square, and I will explain why after. So here I have my 4-piece of 5-inch square, and yeah, there's some places that are rotten. I have another set of 4 like that I put aside. What I'm going to be using those for, like I said, it's not good for structural, because you can see here it did break quite easy, but it's going to be good enough. Put wood on it, so I'm not going to use good wood to put some wood on it, like to stack it up, but after they will be dry, they will be good enough to serve that purpose. And as you can see here, I did cut it. I didn't check the time. It took me what, a few minutes to make 5-inch beam like that. And with my sawmill, the guy was asking me, how big can you cut? Well, you see the opening there is 25.5 inches. So I'm able to cut 24-inch square beam. This is a 10-inch. I'm able to cut a 24-inch beam, slice a 6-inch, remove that slice, make another one 6-inch, and then put them aside like this here, 3 slice, and snap. It's going to give 9 4-piece is 16 6x6 that I would be able to cut easily in no time. So it's a lot of work, it's a lot of it's fun, I like it. And sometimes you see the grain of wood, always some surprise. So thanks again for watching. If you're not subscribed, put a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And once again, work safe, guys. And that's it.